You guys sure are silly.
Stop on the adventure, we're going to pick a couple flowers. How's that sound? Oh, look at you guys, you're eating them good. Well, why don't you take care of that, and then we'll do the flowers in a little bit.
Okay.
Okay. Jojo, in your mouth.
Keep going, Grandpa.
Okay, we will. Oops, sorry.